Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36 in rose gold and steel with a silver palm motif dial and diamond dial on a Jubilee bracelet, reference 126231. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet, movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. With just a little overview, this watch is a Datejust 36. It's size a little bit on the large side for women, or just on the medium side for men. They also make a Datejust 41 for men, and they also make a smaller Datejust 31 for women. 36 is right in the middle, so it can be worn as unisex. And this particular dial, very beautiful dial, silver palm motif. It has a silver a motif in here, and it's silver, hence the name silver palm. And it has diamonds on it, so it's a silver palm motif diamond dial. And they only made this dial very special for just about 1 or 2 years, from approximately 2021 to 22, and then they stopped it for whatever reason. Maybe they'll come back or they'll do something else. But Rolex is kind of known to sometimes do these little motif dials or these little special edition dials, do it for a year or two and then stop it. So it's really cool. And so let's talk about this watch a little bit, starting with the case. The case is going to be 36 millimeters from my thumb to my index fingers. As I just told you, it's a unisex size. It's going to fit for those women who like to wear large watches or the men who like to wear small watches. And it's going to be 36 millimeters, all in stainless steel. And it's a monoblock middle case with a screw down case back and winding crown, and has nice smooth lugs, high polish all the way around. And then you look on, let's move on to the bezel, which is going to be a rose gold bezel that's fluted. Also, it's a mark of distinction, and this is what gives the watch its rose gold name, because the part that is steel is the case and the part that's gold is the bezel. The bezel is rose gold, which actually leads me to the next point, which is the bracelet. This one happens to be on a Jubilee bracelet. They also make an Oyster bracelet, and here is also gold. So it's steel and gold. Part of it's steel, giving the strength and the strength of steel, but also the nobility and luxuriousness of gold down the center links, which is a kind of a best of both worlds if you think about it. And then let's move on. And what also is nice is that before, on the previous generation, they didn't have a comfort extension. This actually has an Oyster clasp on the bottom, which allows one to have a extendable bracelet up to 5 millimeters, so that you can change it according to your hand during the day, so that you can always wear it but not be comfortable. Because some watches, if you wear them, you realize that they actually need your wrist actually changes sizes throughout the day, because of water retention, generally bigger at night than at day because of all the water that's built up. But at any rate, this watch certainly can do that because it has a comfort extension. Okay, let's move on to the dial. Now, the dial here is the most special part of this watch. Is actually why the premium exists, and you can't get this watch anywhere else. You can't get it at the authorized dealer. You probably can't even get it at any other gray market dealer, but you know what? We can get it at JazzTime.com. Well, I should say we probably can get it. I can't guarantee, but we certainly can try. If you want to, just click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. And what makes it special is just, they don't make this configuration. I mean, they make silver, they make diamonds, they make sundust, they make diamonds, but they don't make this with this motif, it's really cool. They actually made other motifs. This is one of them, but the silver motif, as of at least out of 2026, they don't make it anymore. So this is the only place you can get it, and it has diamonds on it. So what else could you want? Okay, and I think it goes really well. It's a nice pairing. Let's look at the movement here. It's going to be a 32-35. They revamped this movement back in 2020 when they released a whole bunch of new stuff, and now it's going to probably be this movement for the next probably 15 years or plus, because the last 31-35, which it replaced, was from 2020 to 2000 to 2020. So I guess that was 20 years. So it's going to be a good time before they change the movement. So okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. Now, I'm a huge fan of the Datejust. I think it's great, and especially when you have a limited edition version of it. They don't exactly call it that, but we all know it is, because you can't get this. It's not there anymore. It was only produced for a few years, and so you get a really unique Datejust, and it's modern. What's there not to like? So if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.